A step-by-step guide on how you can print photos at Staples. First, you want to pick the photos you want to print on your phone, USB drive, or cloud, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. You will then go to a Staples store that has a print and marketing center. You want to head to the self-service print station. You will then insert your USB, connect your phone, or log into your cloud account. You want to select the photos you would like to print and choose the paper size such as 4x6, 5x7 or 8x10 and finish glossy or matte. Adjust if needed. You can crop, zoom or fit the page, and then you just have to confirm your order on the screen, pay at the kiosk or the counter and wait while your photos print out. You can then pick them up and enjoy your fresh prints. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.